everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very Christmassy video because, as you can see, I'm wearing a Christmas sweater. I have my Christmas earrings in that look like ornaments, and I have this huge package in front of me. Now this I got for my birthday by my awesome boyfriend, and he got me the advent calendar by Rituals Cosmetics, and today I want to try to assemble it together with you so you can see how it looks at the end. And yeah, I guess we'll get right started. Let's unpack this baby. Alright, so it's a huge package, and it's going to look, I show you, it's going to look like this. It's gonna be a Christmas tree, and it has all the little ornaments that has the products inside that will go on the actual Christmas tree. So let's see, how do we have to assemble this thing? Step 1. You have received 2 separate parts. Lay them flat. Remove the round protective carton on top of the tree. Okay, so those are the two things. And it says remove the round plastic thing on top. So we'll do that. And we'll do that. Alright, so... And then it says, place one part over the other part so that the flaps in the middle lay on top of each other. Okay, so we will do that. So we will put them in. So they're both in the same direction. Raise the top right part of the tree right up. Okay. Okay, I guess that's what it is. And then step 4, lower the flaps in the middle until they click. Until they click. And where are they supposed to click? So I guess now they're clicked. And then stand the tree upright and slide the other part of the tree out. Okay. Okay. Nope. I think I did something wrong. Maybe I need to put them the other way around. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we need to put them this way. Okay, maybe I did it right. Wrong. Okay, so we'll try the other way around. Lift the right part up. You guys, this is not easy. So I lifted the right part up, and now what? Okay, let me figure this out, and I'll be right back once I get this baby going. I don't even know, can you still see me? I have figured it out. The tree is standing, and now it says step 6, push the hooks out where it says push. So everywhere it says push, we'll push, I guess. There's those little, so is there more push? Yes, there's more push. There's a lot of pushing, I guess. I think that's the handles where the ornaments will go. Okay, so let me push to the end and then I'll be right back. Okay, so for the life of me, I don't seem to be able to get this tree better than it is. So basically now, you have all of these little ornaments and you're supposed to put them on the numbers that, you know, you just pushed out. So basically now, we will be looking for all of the different numbers and place them on the tree. And this looks really pretty actually. Okay, let's see, number 9. What else do we have? Number 13. Okay, so we'll put number 13 right up here, I guess. And then we are hung on the advent calendar. It looks a bit wonky, but I like the look of it. It's very Christmassy. It took me ages to assemble this thing and it still did not work. So, you know, it is what it is, but it still looks cute, I think. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will unbox them together. There is actually also a little Christmas light inside that you could, if you wanted to, hang around your tree. I'm not gonna do that now, but that's okay. There is definitely a Christmas light. So yay! What did you think of this advent calendar? Are you excited to open it with me? I hope you are. Hope you see you in my next video, and then see you next time. Bye bye!